I needed a way to divvy up the time between day-to-day tasks.
I wanted something fast and intuitive to use while I was at the gym, so made the app and I thought it was handy for me, and it turned out to be handy for a lot of other people around the world.
It seemed that there wasn't any really good software out there for mind mapping, and so I thought, why not create it?
The first app I built was Carly's app, was the name of my eldest daughter. So there was definitely a desire to make my daughters some software.
My app itself allows me to track my time, how long I'm spending on things, and at the end of the week I can have a look and see how much time was spent on one task over another.
Building apps I sort of viewed as like a hobby and kind of a passion, so you find time for it in your evenings rather than sort of sitting down and watching a TV show. I'd sit down and write some more code.
Most of my development time was done on my 1 hour train ride in and out of the city every day, so 2 hours developing 5 days a week.
Personally, I've found app development competitions to be quite motivating. Having deadlines, I think, really works. You need some form of deadline to keep you on track and to actually get over the line and submit stuff into the store. So competitions, that's a good incentive.
To push out the time tracker first iteration, I spent 2 months, and then I just keep pushing out new builds, building up on what I've done. It's been out in the marketplace for 9 months now, and I've already pushed out 5 or 6 separate iterations of it.
When my 2 daughters are tucked in, off to bed, then it's time to do something creative.
I certainly wasn't looking at the clock going, okay, I have to finish in 30 minutes, and it's a real drag. I would honestly lose track of time.
At the same time that nobody tells you when to start, nobody tells you when to stop. I was spending long hours working on the development of the application, and so I deliberately brought in other hobbies. That's my big release from the development environment.
You might have 15 minutes there, half an hour there, but they're not necessarily long enough. Basically, you need to find bigger chunks of time so that you get your mind back into the problem you're trying to solve.
If you're having fun working, then it doesn't feel like work, would be my main advice, is do something you enjoy and you'll make sure you find time for it.